YouTube channel. I hope that all of you are doing well and staying at home and taking all the precautionary measures. So today's video, I think that I have been excited over today's video quite for a long time, and when it arrived I couldn't wait and I couldn't keep my patience from doing this entire haul video because I had seen so many people, and first of all, I would say that I was in a fix of whether purchasing it from the website or not, but then I figured out, let's just give it a try. So today's haul is about everstylish.com. Now I have quite shopped a bit from everstylish.com. Everstylish.com is a website. You can also check out their Instagram page, and I shouldn't be blabbering much, right? So without any further ado, let's move on to today's video. So coming and talking about everstylish.com. Now everstylish.com is a particularly website which I found out from Instagram. It was popping up on my Instagram feed every now and then, so then I quickly went into their profile and checked out the products, and then I quickly went on their website and checked on the products, and they were like so beautiful products from everstylish.com. I couldn't stop complaining about it. And then when I particularly went and checked their Instagram profile, I found out that there were many pieces which I liked the most and I wanted to purchase. And for the longest time there has been a thing that because of COVID and everything, things were getting delayed. Because of COVID only, the package also arrived late. But one thing that I want to mention to all of you guys is that everstylish.com is a very particular and genuine website. You can go ahead and purchase any of the products, such as it has got rings, necklaces, it has got earrings, and there are 4 different sections. I will mention a screen recording in my screen so you guys can definitely check it out, and the link will be mentioned in the description box down below. One thing about everstylish.com is that you have to purchase above 600 so as to avoid the shipping charges. So I had shopped above 600. One thing that I was actually willing to mention it to you guys is that you have to shop within a range of like 600 or more so as to avoid the shipping charges. So now my total bill was 631 rupees. All the prices of each particular product will be mentioned on the screen, as well as all the links will be mentioned down below. So the everstylish.com package somehow arrived in a particular way of this. So when I opened the packet, this is what the box looks like. It's a tiny cute little box which has got loads of things in it. Now I haven't shopped a whole lot of variety of things. I had shopped like necklace and earrings, so I haven't gone to that bit of like rings or that sort, but I particularly wanted the products and I wanted to see. So this is how the box opens, and this particular thing has got all the list of products which I purchased and the links and the prices. This is kind of an invoice which is there. This has got a thermocol thing so as to protect the products. Now a bit of sneak peek. So let's begin with today's unboxing video kind of a thing. So this is the first neck piece which I had purchased. Now this particular one has got a world kind of a thing going on. It's a single pendant neck piece. It's so beautiful and so versatile. I personally love this one. I am looking forward to styling all these products in my upcoming videos, and let me know which earring or which necklace you all love the most. I would really love to know. So next piece we have a earring. Now this particular earring I had seen in loads of many different sites, and I had also seen this earring in a local nearby market of my place, and the price which they asked from me is somewhere around 250 to 300 rupees, which was quite a lot, and I was sure that I would get it online at a cheaper rate, and I really got it. It's absolutely beautiful. You can style this one with any kurti, any western top, any western dresses. It would really go well, and with any evening gowns as well, it would really go well. This is how it looks like. I'll mention a screenshot as well along in my screen so that you all will get a detailed view. Next up product which we have is a neck piece. Now this is a heartbeat kind of a neck piece. Now particularly while I used to shop previously from Club Factory and Shein, but after Club Factory and Shein got banned from India, I was always in a search to finding genuine websites and good websites at a cheaper rate which would not burn a hole in my pocket for these particular type of earrings and neck pieces. These are really cheaper than Zara and H&M, because Zara and H&M are really expensive ones, and then you have different websites which give you the same kind of a product. Obviously those are much more of a great quality, but this one also has got a good quality. I have to say, this is how the neck piece looks like. Now this particular one I had also seen in Club Factory as well, but I got my hands on it. Next which we have is a earring. Now I think that you all have seen this earring in many of influencer wearing it and styling it. This is the kind of a earring which I feel is kind of a grapefruit growing on, and it has got leaves from above. Now this particular product is available in two different colors. One is golden and the other one is oxidized, kind of a silverish tone going on, but I opted for the golden one because I thought that I can style this one with any western outfit as well as with any Indian outfit as well, because it would really go well. Look at how the detailing and everything is so intricate and it's so beautiful. I can't wait to style in these earrings. I can't wait. So last product which we have over here is this chain. Now I have to say that this chain is really heavy. It's not that it's very flimsy or it's like going down the line, but it's really heavy. It is actually looking like more of a good quality chain. This is a simple chain. This is kind of a choker kind of a chain which would go like, and I'm looking forward to styling all these products so soon in my upcoming videos. Now I just wanted to show you guys is that in the bottom as well they have kept the thermocol thing going on, so anyhow any of the products don't get damaged. That's it for today's video, guys. I do really hope that you guys had enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. If you find any of your favorite and any of the product which you really want to buy and which you really like the most, all the links will be mentioned in the description box down below. You can please go ahead and check it out, and also all the prices I think that I had mentioned on the screen and everything will be mentioned, and if it's out of stock I will try to keep a link of the similar product, because most of the time what happens is that many of the items go out of stock. So if it is out of stock, I will also try to mention a link which is similar to that particular item. And let me know if you guys want me to do yet another haul from this particular website, because I personally loved all the products. I am super thrilled of styling all these products in my latest and upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. Till then, stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.